Introducing Creo Ansys Simulation. This is the combination of Creo Parametric with Ansys technology in a high-fidelity, embedded solution ready now for customers in Creo 7020. Taking a model into Creo Ansys is very easy. With this bracket, we are first going to define where we want to hold it fixed, just like it performs in real life. After we have it fixed, we can now apply two different forces that act in the opposite directions. Very easy and straightforward to define these needed forces. You can also choose the units that you wish to work in. Creo Ansys provides a large list of boundary conditions to choose from to capture the simulation that you are looking for to validate your design. We can then take a look at the mesh. This is an optional step. The physics-aware meshing provides the appropriate mesh according to the slider in the mesh resolution dialog. A lower fidelity for a quick answer and a higher fidelity for an analyst level answer. By modifying the dragger, you can see the finer mesh result in step 2. The last requirement is a material assigned. This can be inherited from Creo or defined in the simulation. Next, we run the simulation. This only takes a few seconds, and then we can review the results. Creo Ansys provides basic and advanced results. Each result window that you view can be controlled with the legend for what results you wish to view and the units to show. You can also create simulation probes to get specific values for your geometry. You can define additional contour windows and then request updated results. Let's review and request a couple more. This step doesn't need to solve the simulation again. It only asks for these additional results when I right-click on the results in the simulation tree. The results that you get with Creo Ansys are based upon the accuracy and reliability of Ansys technology, the gold standard among simulation software in the industry. PTC is very excited to be partnering with Creo Ansys in this first release and has many plans in the future to continue to add more features and functionality for our customers from Ansys. A few more result windows to review, and you can see for each one you have complete control over the units that you wish to view. Having an integrated solution makes it easy to access the model and make geometry changes. Here we will make this bracket a bit smaller and regenerate. At this point, I can simply re-enter Creo Ansys and run the simulation again with the updated geometry. And after a few seconds, my simulation is now up to date. Creo Ansys is the answer to customers that are desiring a tight integration with Ansys within Creo.